How to replace the toner cartridge in the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 3101 through 3108 and MFP 3101e through 3108e printer series. If your printer is running low or is out of toner, follow these steps to replace the toner cartridge. Lift the toner cartridge access door until it locks into the upright position. Grasp the handle on the old toner cartridge, then pull up and out to remove the cartridge. Remove the new cartridge from the packaging. You can place the used cartridge in the bag and box for recycling. Caution: to prevent damage to the cartridge, hold the cartridge at each end. Do not touch the protective cover or the roller surface, as this can cause defects in print quality. While grasping both sides of the cartridge, gently rock it back and forth to distribute the toner evenly inside the cartridge. Slide the cover off the front of the new cartridge to remove. While grasping the handle on the new toner cartridge, insert it into the cartridge access area. Slide the toner cartridge all the way back and push down to secure it in place. Then close the cartridge access door. Learn how you can recycle the old toner cartridge at hp.com/recycle. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.